Greetings everyone. I am Galactax and today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to draw like Aqish Arts and Fire Alpaca. Step 1. Go to File and click on New. Make sure it's set to 1920 by 1080. Step 2. Use the brush control on your left and set it to whatever you want your brush to be. Make sure you set your brush correction to 40. Step 3. Use the circle snap and make sure to press the snap settings to move your snap. Then draw a circle. Step 4. Draw a cross in the circle like this. Step 5. Draw a rectangle body like. Now for the arms and legs, you need to draw circles like this. It's like you making a puppet but in 2D. Now for step 6. Go to View, and find Onion Scan Mode. This tool will be very helpful for animations and character design. Step 7. Add a new layer and sketch the character. Once you're done sketching your character, delete your puppet and copy your sketch layer. Step 8. Make sure to select the bottom layer and use your paint bucket tool to fill up the color. Step 9. Copy your top layer and add shadows to it. Once you're done adding shadows, use the opacity above to lower the shading. Now that is what I called a masterpiece. Hope this video helps you out for making your drawings better. Goodbye, and see you next time.